Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna talk about studio lights. So I recently got the newer B-Color LED 480 and I'm really happy with the results which I'm getting from the money. I think that these lights are more than enough for what you will need on a studio set. And for the price, I'd say you get a great value. The build quality, it's really nice because the body is made out of aluminum. Just the square box where you plug in the cable and the batteries, that's all it is from plastic. Each light comes with 480 LEDs. 240 are yellow and 240 are white. But you can even combine them and have them white-yellow, or you can have them just white or just yellow. For a small setup like a studio, I'd say it's really bright and you can manage with just two lights. Now if you're gonna go outside in a bright sunny day, I'd say they won't be enough. Probably you're gonna have to look at something more expensive and more powerful. But for a YouTube studio, I think these lights are great. Another thing which I love about them is the fact that you have the barn doors and you can shape the light as you like it. I bought a newer lighting kit and it came up with two lights, two stands and a remote controller. The batteries didn't come with the package, but you can buy them separately. The batteries are Sony F550 or F750 and you can easily find them on Amazon, not from Sony but from other manufacturers. They are quite cheap and if you buy 4 of them, they'll be enough for a shooting day. Now the price that I paid for these lights was 178 euro on Amazon and the delivery came after 3 days, so that's not bad. I'm using them for like a month now and I'm really happy with them. For a budget setup they do whatever I want and it's all that I need for now. If you are a YouTuber and you have just started, I'd say this kit of lights is just perfect for you. I'm gonna leave the link in the description and if you want to get them, go ahead and do that. I know that you'll be happy with the purchase. So this is the remote controller and you can change it as you like. Now I have them all combined to 4500K, but I can go ahead and change them, make them yellowish, or I can make them white, brighter, or just white. I am in a dark room, so if I turn them completely off, you can see. And then I turn them on, both of them. So yeah, that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already and I'll see you guys on the next one. Salut!